Okay, another quick update on my containers. It looks like the bottom leaves are all frozen off of my Brussels sprouts. But that's okay, I'm still getting some. So we'll go ahead and let those finish making the Brussels sprouts. I've got some beautiful romaine lettuce to harvest here. So we definitely will be having sandwich wraps. Broccoli is over here, about done. We're getting ready to pull that out. And beets, they're getting ready. So we have got beets, romaine lettuce. Then over here, more Brussels sprouts. Collards are looking fantastic. We need to eat more of those. Those need to be harvested. And we've been eating off the kale. You can tell by the leaves being gone, we ate those. So my Calabrese heirloom broccoli, I've been letting it make seeds. You can see the seeds forming right here. I'm back in the greenhouse today, and I'm going to go ahead and pick some more of my tomatoes. So let's get started. Wonderful. Love these. These have been wonderful. And now I'm out here in the container garden, and I just need to harvest some lettuce to go with my beautiful greenhouse tomatoes that I just harvested, and we're going to have great salad. So really looking forward to this. This is so great. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. The romaine is gorgeous. I think I will grow these particular ones again. It's nice to experiment and find things that are really doing good for you and taste good too, actually. Well, here we have it. This makes it all worth it. Beautiful salad ingredients. Full-size heads of romaine. So awesome. This is going to be for our salad tonight. I'm really looking forward to it. So cool. Didn't know I could grow this time of year, but you certainly can.